I've always wanted to see the Central Asian countries, so here I am, off to Uzbekistan with my dad. We landed in Tashkent airport, and so we stayed one day, the first day and night in Tashkent before heading over to Samarkand. Heading to a restaurant because me and dad are super hungry. And tomorrow morning we have to go early to the train station.
Nice.
Now dad is trying a traditional horse meat dish. Now we entered some sort of market selling pajamas. And then this is the food portion of it. Let's go take a look at this market, a bazaar. Now we are at the train station.
Samarkand has been invaded by mainly light blue or green color mainly. But just I give general information about Uzbekistan. Control to the eastern Turkestan, I mean Xinjiang also. It's then the Xinjiang was Timur and they look.
Good morning. Our day 2 in Samarkand. And behind me is the Registan, or what they call the historical meeting place. Meeting land in the center. I think Registan either means center land or meeting land. Now we're at the ticket office. Now we are inside Registan. Come on and follow me into Registan. Isn't it a beautiful color? There's blue, there's green. Historically, this was called the meeting place. It's the very center of Samarkand, which is the center of Central Asia, and also the center of the Silk Route. The teacher is the deer, and the lion or the tiger is the student. At the Bibi Mosque. And here is the bazaar right next to it. Fruits, bread. It's closed during Ramadan, during the daytime hours. Usually it would be open, selling dry goods, oriental sweets, breads, souvenirs, but it's closed right now. This is the Amir Timur Mosque. Now we are at Samarkand restaurant in a local district, and they have these beautiful arts, both interior and exterior. This is a delicious beef dish inside a pastry, and a lamb dish in a pastry, and a soup that we got, and bread, along with green tea. Getting ready for their start of spring, or their new year, also known as Nowruz. Everyone's setting up their yurts. We're at a restaurant called Istanbul Restaurant. We just arrived back at the train station of Samarkand, heading back to Tashkent for 2 more days in Uzbekistan to see the Nowruz, New Year's, or the start of spring celebration, the start of spring. Stations are decorated really beautifully. And I also heard that in Tashkent, the metro is actually a tourist attraction. Like, each stop has beautifully designed architecture or artwork. The train station's right behind me. They have cafe, food, and all of it. This is the Amir Timur Square in the very center of Tashkent. Behind me and my dad, there is a Pepsi kind of. Don't know if you can see that. A Pepsi street. And that's the famous Hotel Uzbek. I'm inside the Uzbekistan hotel, floor 16, the top. Chicken Kiev style and Alfredo pasta. Right in Hotel Uzbekistan. Where are we, Dad?
Yep, we are in Uzbekistan.
And how do you like it?
It's pretty good. Not bad.
Was it what you expected?
Yeah.
Did you learn anything?
Tashkent. Tashkent. Yeah. It's good.
And where else did you go in Uzbekistan?
We are nowhere.
Samarkand.
Samarkand.
Oh my gosh. It is also cherry blossom season. Understand? This is the Chorsu market, the biggest one.
Yeah.
But this is the one nearby. They stir this for 24 hours for the celebration of Navros. Asalom Navros. Wow. So many birds inside. This is the Minor Mosque. It's a new mosque built in 2014. It reminds me of Abu Dhabi's. The TV tower of Tashkent. Our final day of Tashkent, me and Dad are at a Vietnamese pho restaurant in Tashkent. For anyone who's curious in the ancient Silk Road, I would highly recommend you to visit Uzbekistan. Subscribe to follow along our next journey.